Consider what you want to do and your level of fitness first. What sounds enjoyable? Which type of exercise do you prefer, working out alone, with a trainer, or in a group? Do you prefer working out at home or in a gym? No problem if you want to do something more difficult than what you are now capable of. You can decide on a goal and work toward it. If you wish to run, for instance, you might start off by walking and then incorporate short bursts of jogging into your walks. Start running for longer periods of time than you stroll. Whatever activity you have in mind, they'll make sure you're prepared, and they'll let you to know any limits on what you can do. Remember to visit your doctor regularly. Running, jogging, and biking are examples of aerobic exercise, cardio. You're moving quickly enough to raise your heart rate and make you breathe more heavily, but you should still be able to converse with someone. Otherwise, you're pushing yourself too hard. Choose a low-impact activity, such as swimming or walking, if you have joint problems. Stretching, doing this a couple of times per week will help you become more flexible. After you've warmed up or finished exercising, stretch. Gently stretch, it shouldn't hurt. Strengthening exercises. You can do this with weights, resistance bands, or your own body weight, yoga, for example. Do it twice a week. Allow your muscles to rest for a day in between sessions.